welcome to this channel. We're getting ready to build a shelf. Hubby's putting a shelf together here. Hubby is working hard. This, I'm gonna put my potatoes in here. This is really nice. Look like a trash can, but it's not. My trash can here. And then here, that cabinet, Hubby and I also installed that cabinet. You're doing really good, hon. Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
This freezer was given to us and we are so grateful for that. It needs to be defrosted and deep cleaned. I just plan on cleaning the outside of the fridge for right now. This is my air fryer. It stays on this rollout cabinet and my can opener, and behind my can opener I have my paper towel holder. Planning to move them to the folding shelf once Hubby get done installing it. Above Hubby have my cabinets that we install. We still need to stand them and install handles on all of them. It's a work in progress. It's going by little. You're doing really good, hon. Thank you. I love you.
I love you.
It didn't have this counter right there, and it didn't have the peninsula. The peninsula here, it did not have that either. So my husband and I actually built that. And we had a plumber install the dishwasher in for us. So this house did not even have connection for a dishwasher. We had to get a plumber to install that. So this here, and this, and then this. This is looking good, hon. So we are getting ready to install this shelf, this folding shelf. Where would you go to? Is it right? Make sure I have it on the line. Easier if we had a tool to keep this on. This is how I lose my weight. I feel like I'm open. Sorry.
You look good.
Yeah, check.
Right there's the stud. You need studs.
You need to start finding. On your face. You turn the other way. Turn your face the other.
Can't do my work.
Okay, it's okay, Amber. It's perfectly level. This is looking good, huh? We are almost done with this. It's coming together nicely.
No, that's not coming in or out.
We get the cleaner. Don't even have to hold anything. It just pull it up and down. That's it. To close it, it's just press and push down. That's it. This is nice. I'm loving this. This is really good. Well, whoever put this house together did not level this. This is level. Hubby did a really good job. Thank you, Han Han. I already started cleaning the fridge. I'm doing a quick clean on this fridge. Once all the ice melted, like I said, this fridge was given to us, this freezer. See, this, all this ice have to melt first. So I'm switching this, the trash can, or if, yeah, the trash can is gonna be under here, not that far. And then this, I'm gonna put my potatoes in here. And yeah, the fridge is defrosting. I cleaned it. Puppy's doing a really good job. Are you done, hun? You got one more. You done? You put all 3 in already?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quick. You're fast, hun. Thank you.
You're welcome. That's my reward.
Huh? Your reward is satisfaction from doing your work. Go ahead. Put the other broom, I think I'm going to put in the basement. Yeah. And this one, I'm going to replace this because it's shredding. Very small kitchen and narrow doors. I have turned this paper towel holder into a banana hanger to hang my banana. Works really well. And under here, I have my trash can, the black container, and then the brown container here is gonna be my potato container.